Hi, so I'm Renata with Smart for Life, and right now I'm going to make smart and simple zucchini pizza tasting with fat-free cheese. It's delish, and you're going to really enjoy. Not only you, but your kids will like to eat zucchini. As many zucchinis as you like. I chose green zucchini because it's softer. You can also take the yellow zucchini. So what I do, I just cut out the ends. This is absolutely smart and simple. Remember, everything is taking less than 15 minutes with the preparation and cooking. And it's Smart for Life approved. So we're doing low calorie, low fat. So it's healthy living, healthy eating. So now we cut the zucchinis in half. We scoop it out. There it is. We scooped it all out. I like to just take a little paper towel. So here it is. Now, part of Smart for Life program or lifestyle, we like to be low fat. So we like to use the no fat cheese. Obviously, if you're on a healthy lifestyle, you can use any cheese you like. But because we are trying to watch our calories and the content of fat, we're choosing fat-free. You can get mozzarella by Kraft. Okay, so now what we like to do is to spice it up. Since I said it's gonna be like a zucchini pizza, so what I do, I have the spicy spaghetti seasoning. That's what I like. But you can use any seasoning you like. You can use anything. You can use paprika, obviously salt and pepper, oregano, thyme, delish. I always like to use a little pepper. We go low salt, so that's enough. Then remember how much I love cilantro and garlic. This is the one that I had cut up already. You don't have to put it. I'm putting it because I already had it made for my marinade. So we already chopped a lot, so I'm putting it in. I also like to always have my spices prepared. So like on the weekend when you're not working, why don't you chop a lot of garlic and a lot of parsley or cilantro, and then you have it ready in your Tupperware. And we're just gonna put a little bit. That's delish. Okay, no olive oil as you can see, because we're gonna have the fat-free cheese for the tasting. Now what I like to do basically is to bake them first, and then at the end add the cheese. So basically what you do, you would put it in the oven right now. So obviously you would grab a cooking sheet. As I said, one dish only. So I like to just put aluminum foil, because if I don't have to wash it, better. I always spray with a little pan. And voila, we're gonna put them in the oven, make them softer, and then for the last couple of minutes, we're gonna add the cheese on top. Okay, so now we're gonna put it in the oven at 350 for no more than 10 minutes, and make sure that the zucchini is nice and soft, and then we're gonna take it out, add the fat-free cheese, and put it for another 2 to 3 minutes. All right, so we're taking out the zucchini pizza. On the oven, be careful not to burn yourself. God knows I burned myself many times. There it is. Delish. The cheese is melted perfect. You see it's not burned, so it's not gonna be hard. And we're gonna put it on our serving plate. A little hot. We can use the spoon. Here we go. Perfect for the whole family. It's smart and simple zucchini pizza with fat-free cheese. You can see there is no fat. The cheese is not burned. Wonderful. And you know, if you're not on a weight loss phase with Smart for Life, you can put a drizzle a little olive oil. I won't do it. What I'm gonna do is drizzle a little bit of Renata's Smart and Simple dressing and marinade. So I'm gonna put on 2 of them. Put a little cilantro, love. And I'm gonna leave 2 of them simple because I'm not so sure if my kids would like the dressing on top of the cheese.